Hello guys, today I've got NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you how to remove this band from your Apple Watch. So here we've got our NOMAD band on my Apple Watch Ultra, and here when you take a look at the bottom of your watch you'll see this lock, this button actually. When you push this button down you will see that you can move your band left and right. You need to keep pushing this button and move your band, remove it from the place like this. Now we've got the first part removed, and here the same lock, we need to push this button downwards, and here let me remove it quickly. My buttons are kind of damaged, but that doesn't really matter. The thing that matters is that we can remove our band easily. Yeah, my buttons are damaged, but now we've got it. I couldn't move it at all, so now we've got here our band and our Apple Watch. That's how it works. Bye.